The beautiful town of Ennerdale, near Ennerdale Lake. So, yeah, this is the little town of Ennerdale. It's not far from Ennerdale Lake, as I just said. That was the sign. I think Ennerdale Waters. About 10-minute drive. Well, 5 and 10-minute drive. There's two areas of Ennerdale Lake you can go to. I'm going to the well, maybe the quieter area, but maybe not so much now. There's a house for sale if anybody wants to live in the beautiful town of Ennerdale. This little bridge here. There's a few pubs. I think there's one just over the river. Here's the river. I don't know if it'll be that windy on the camera at the minute. It's not too windy, but sometimes windier than you think. Here's the river, just crossing the bridge. That river comes from Ennerdale Lake. Here's a sign. Fox and Hound, cooked food and real ales. Children welcome. So yeah, there's, I'm not sure if there's anywhere to stay here. You can maybe stay in the pubs. But sort of spread out. It's up there, and I think there's a pub just up here and around the corner. I think that's the Fox and Hound. And then it goes down that way as well. It's only a small sort of village. That could be a church over there. We'll get over here, sorry. What else are we doing? You know what I mean? I don't know how the wind will go in the camera. I've took the mic out, so it's louder. Looks like a little park or something here. There's a bench in there you can sit on. Some sort of hopscotch of sorts. Don't know if someone's in this car or not. Looks like they are. I like filming people. I'm going to see the church, St. Peter's Church. Here's the graveyard. Here's the graveyard. You're never dead if someone speaks your name again, is the saying. I think someone's in this car. And you'll feel and hear a slight bit of wind, so maybe it won't come out so well. Here's the church next to the river. Don't know if it'll be open. Go and have a look. They don't leave them open as much these days as they used to. Bloody vandals come and nick the lead off the roof. Something you would imagine. There's the graveyard. Ennerdale Priory. Doesn't look like it's going to be open, to be honest. But I'll give it a whirl. Got my microphone lead on the gate. Doesn't help. I think there's a pub just there. Yeah, there is. Hold on, we'll go have a look at it first. No one trusts people these days. It's all gone. Yeah, it's the Fox and Hound pub just there. Oh, look at it. Shut this gate. Yeah, some nice houses here right by the pub. I'm sure quite good to live in summer, as the pub has some festivities on. Fox and Hound, looks like it's open. Pearls and Petals, nice little river. Next to the pub, beer garden over there. Maybe have a pint. Pint in the beer garden, sod it, I think we will. We'll have a pint in the beer garden. Fox and Hound. Opening times, 12:15. So it is. In the beer garden. Nice little dog at play in the back. Nice little beer garden. In the Dale, Fox and Hound. A little river. And through. Walk over the walkway. Back to the pub. Nice little pub. Never been in it, but to be honest, never been. Kind of Australia. Keep it right. I'll sit here and enjoy my beer. Here's to the future. Beautiful day for it. Beautiful day for it. There's a little stream runs through the beer garden. Can't beat it. We are now serving food outside today. Quality food, Ennerdale pub. Oop, I'm going to do my ankle again. Nice flowers here. Yeah, I'll show you inside the pub on my way back out. Oop, ta-do. Quaint English pub. How about? Just want to be on YouTube. This is the man's pub, who it is. You'll be
it's not mine, it's my sister's.
Oh, is it? You'll be on YouTube later.
No problem.
There's no, you've been recommended. I'll leave it there, but I'm in the car.
No
right,
problem.
pub, take care.
Have a good one, thank you.
Cheers, mate. Show everybody around your pub. Lovely pub. Lovely pub, as you can see. Back by the church, back to the car. Have a drink, have a drive, go out and see what you can find. I've only had like 3/4 of a pint, so I'm sure it'll be fine. What's this? Commonwealth War Graves. Lest we forget. Lest we forget. In Hebrew. Yeah, so this is Ennerdale. I mean, this is only one half. This is over the bridge. But, pardon me. You go over the bridge again. I think there's two or one. Oh, the bee is repeating on me here. I think there's 2 or 1 pubs on the other side of the bridge. The bee is doing us in, trying to drink it so fast at the end there. Got my weed vape now. I've run out of joints, so I've got a weed vape. You don't have to half fucking suck on it to get a drag. The wind could be in the mic here. Oh, fucking hell. I took a drag of me weed vape. It's fucked us over. It's coughed up a bit of lung. Look over the bridge. The river. Some sort of car coming. Now we've got a little beautiful house in the village of Ennerdale, PPK. There you go. I reckon you'll probably pay, we'll go with 150,000. I would imagine, only Lal, but quaint little village, and will be, won't be cheap. It's a little village school here, playground. So yeah, Lal Village School. I believe it's just sort of an infant school. Yeah, I think this is the other pub, the Shepherd Arms Hotel. Obviously it's a hotel. Not sure if it's got a beer garden the same as the other spot, maybe around the back. I'm not sure. Could have a quick peek, see what we get. Looks like there might be. Far way down the side here, so we'll have a look. Yeah, but the Shepherd Arms Hotel, I'm not sure if there's another pub up there, to be honest. I've never really been here. But, Yeah, I'm not sure if there is a beer garden in this hotel. Yeah, it's Ennerdale. There's more up here, just a village really, and houses. I don't think there's a shop even here anymore. I'm not sure, but I don't think there is. I think there's a school and 2 pubs really. No, this is just houses this way. More and more have grew over the years. It used to be quite a small village back in the day, but quite a few more houses. But the pubs remain, and the pubs are quite busy here. And I say we've got this little school just in front here. And yeah, lovely little village of Ennerdale, near the Ennerdale Lake. See there, it's 7 miles to Idavon and 3¼ to Cleedamura. Coconut and Kirkland, almost 10 miles in that direction. Ennerdale Water's 1½ in that direction. So that's the beautiful town, village of Ennerdale. With the beautiful lake of Ennerdale in Cumbria. Oh, we will be in a minute. We will be in a minute. Afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Hope you're all well. We're at the beautiful lake of Ennerdale in Cumbria on this fine, beautiful blue sky day. Don't know what's going on, to be honest. 17 degrees it says on the clock. So yeah, this is the beautiful lake of Ennerdale. I'm not quite that. I just stopped to get a panoramic view of the area. Afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Hope you're all well. We're at the beautiful lake of Ennerdale in Cumbria on this fine, beautiful blue sky day. Don't know what's going on, to be honest. 17 degrees it says on the clock. So yeah, this is the beautiful lake of Ennerdale.